After you have cleared NISM Series 5th A Mutual Fund Distributor Certification Examination, you are eligible to obtain EUIN. EUIN is for the employees of a mutual fund distributor who wish to interact with investors regarding purchase and sale of mutual fund products. Before you start filling out the form, keep the following documents handy: GST certificate of your employer, NISM passing certificate, or CPE certificate if you have attended a CPE training, proof of residential address. The fee of EUIN is paid through demand draft, hence you should have that made as well. To find out how much fee you need to pay, go to amphiindia.com, then click on Distributor Corner, then go to Become a Mutual Fund Distributor. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Procedure for obtaining registration. There you will see the paragraph of document and fees, and then click on Here as shown in video. A new page will open which shows fee structure for different persons. Scroll down till you reach the row of employees. Check the fees that you need to pay. Please make a demand draft of this amount. This demand draft needs to be made in the favor of Association of Mutual Funds in India. The DD will be payable at the place of CAMS center at which form is submitted, which means if you submit the form in Mumbai, then DD should be payable at Mumbai. However, if you submit form at Noida, then demand draft will be payable at Noida. Now that you have all these documents, you can now apply for EUIN. To do that, go to amphiindia.com. Go to the Distributor Corner and then click on Become a Mutual Fund Distributor section. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see links of various registration forms. Click on Employee and download the form that opens. Fill this form in block letters. First fill your personal details, then enter details about your employment like name of your organization's ARN, date of your appointment, etc. Enter your NISM certificate number and NISM examination passing date. However, if you have attended a CPE training, then you should enter your CPE certificate number and CPE date. Enter your office address, residential address, and qualification details. Then enter the payment details. Sign the form and then fill the details of the authorized signatory of your organization and get it attested by him or her. Submit the form in your nearest CAMP center along with the following documents: 2 passport size color photographs, one pasted on the form and the other enclosed with the form, PAN card copy, GST certificate copy, certified copy of NISM passing certificate, and proof of residential address. To find out the address of your nearest CAMS center, go to the section of Procedure for obtaining registration, scroll down to Click here to get the list of CAMS POS and click on Click here. A new page will open which shows the locations of CAMS offices in alphabetical order. Go to City and click on All. You will see alphabets. Click on the alphabet with which the name of your city starts. If you reside in Mumbai, click on M. Once you click on M, you will see a list of cities by that letter. Scroll down to Mumbai and find out the address of your CAMS center. Go to that camp center and submit your form. If all the details and documents are found in order, then the EUIN certificate shall be mailed to your office address.